In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and subtract polynomials. The first method I'm going to show you is just going straight across. You're just going to add like terms. Like terms are terms with the same degree, so the degree here is 2, and the degree right here is 2, and you can tell that because that is the exponent above the variable. 9r squared plus 5r squared is 14r squared. 4r minus 2r is positive 2r. And then you just have a negative 7 here, so that's just going to stay negative 7. There isn't a like term over here, so you don't have to combine it with anything. Alternatively, I added those horizontally. I could also line these up, and I think especially if you're new to this is a better method. It's less prone to errors, and it helps you understand it and see things better. So this is a traditional way, too, that you've grown up adding numbers. Here you can see there's no number to fill in here. If you want to write a 0, you can. So negative 7 plus, I'll put the 0 in there. Think of it as like a place value holder. If you were adding decimals and you couldn't see a place value, we're going to put the 0 in there. That's negative 7, 4r plus negative 2r. There's your plus sign right there. Keep that in mind. That's 2r. And you'll get the same answers we can see. 14r squared plus 2r minus 7. In one example with subtraction as well, again, you're combining the terms with the same degree. Those are the like terms. 5m squared minus 3m squared is 2m squared. Negative 7m minus 5m is negative 12m. 12 minus negative 10. If this is a minus a negative 10, it becomes positive 10. So it's going to be 12 plus a positive 10, which will be 22. Once again, I think it's easier to do this with the vertical method as opposed to what I just did there. I guess what I did over here is more of a horizontal and mental math method. So I'm going to line up everything as a subtraction problem underneath all the like terms. And you can see I am subtracting 3m squared with 5m squared. So that'll get me 2m squared. Negative 7m minus a 5m is negative 12m. One more time, you're subtracting negative 10, so you're adding 10, and that becomes a positive 22.